The process of dental bonding is a standard method used to repair and strengthen teeth. It's an effective treatment that is able to repair a wide range of dental concerns, like broken, chipped, stained, and distorted teeth. In this clip, we'll look at the technique of dental bonding as well as what it involves doing, the process, and the benefits that come with this procedure. What is dental bonding? Dental bonding can be described as an aesthetic dental treatment that uses the tooth-colored resin material in order for the purpose of repairing and restoring teeth. The resin is placed on the tooth, then it is shaped and molded to the size and shape desired. When the resin is set installed, a particular light is utilized to set and attach the material onto the teeth. It is an easy and quick procedure which can be accomplished in one trip to a dentist. It's also an affordable solution for the repair and restoration of teeth and is an increasingly popular option for patients. How is dental bonding done? The initial step of the process of dental bonding will be to prep the tooth in preparation for the process. The process involves roughening the tooth's surface by applying a conditioning solution for the resins adhere to tooth. When the tooth has been cleaned, dental professionals will then apply the resin substance onto the tooth and shape it according to the dimension and shape. When the resin is put into the dental office, after which the dentist applies the aid of a specific light to firm and bond the substance with the tooth. When the resin is hardened, then the dentist can make the mold and polish it so that it appears natural. Benefits of dental bonding. There are many advantages to dental bonding. Some of them are: flexible. Dental bonding can repair a wide range of dental concerns, like broken, chipped, or discolored teeth. It is cost-effective. Dental bonding is an affordable solution for the repair and restoration of teeth. It is the preferred choice of the majority of patients. Fast and painless. Bonding with dental floss is an easy and quick procedure that is usually accomplished in just one trip to the dentist. The result is natural-looking. Dental bonding produces natural-looking dental restorations that blend effortlessly with surrounding teeth. The bottom line is that dental bonding can be an effective and economical option for fixing and recovering teeth. It's an easy and simple procedure which is typically performed in one visit to the dentist, which results in natural restorations that seamlessly blend into the rest of the teeth. If you're in the need of dental repairs or a new restoration, the dental bonding procedure could be the best option for you. Possible. All in all, comparing dental cost of fillings across Europe against those in Turkey proves that Turkey is a reasonable as well as high-quality dental services. It doesn't matter if you want for a way to save money or wish to take in the stunning beauty of Turkey as you have your dental procedure done. Turkey is a great alternative when it comes to dental tourism. To conclude, when there is a need for dental fillings, Turkey provides a reasonable and affordable option for patients who want to lower their costs but not abandoning the quality. If you take into consideration the elements discussed in the video and making an informed choice on which dental fillings done. Due to its affordable prices along with high-quality services as well as beautiful scenery, Turkey is a top destination in terms of dental tourism.